Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we got something really cool from Steel Will on the channel. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. I'm going to show you exactly what came in here. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. I swear to God, one of these days I'm going to get you guys an official channel fan name. That way I can address you like that. You know, like Philip DeFranco knows, what's going on, you beautiful bastards? But anywho, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Steel Will F40-09 piercer. Hey, I love how they always got to give it all kinds of weird designations. And I guess it's in their urban series. But anywho, man, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time guys who have yet to do it, look down below. It's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, click on that, do whatever you got to do. Should pull up subscribe, knock it out the way early, and you will feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alrighty, guys. So, inside the box, all there came was the blade and Steel Will's usual propaganda. No big deal, right? So like I said, today we're going to take a look at the piercer. Now, I got this one in the June 2019 PMP Prep Box. Speaking of the Prep Box, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single Prep Box that we have brought to the channel. Man, you might want to check some of those out because there's some incredible gear in there. Now, Jason, I want to say straightforward, brother, thank you so much for the black one. I just freaking love it. Inside his prep boxes, he sent out a satin finish or a black stonewash. I thankfully scored the black stonewash. Now, this is designed by Tommaso, oh boy, I hope I'm saying this right, Rumici? R-U-M-I-C-I. Rumici? I don't know, I'm not going to try to butcher his name anymore. This thing is just ergonomically beautiful. The massive, huge finger choral here, how it sits with this curve, and it just fits beautifully in your hand. Now, the lanyard didn't come with it. I installed that after screwing around with it last night. The overall look, the overall weight, the overall feel to it, man, this thing is just a badass. But let's break it down like we usually do. It's got an overall length of 7.625 inches. The blade is 3.25 with a cutting edge of 3.125. Enclosed, it's 4.5. It's got a neat little weight to it of 3.94 ounces. So it's got a little heft, but not too much that it's over the top. Now, they call it a drop point style. It has a plain edge, and like I said earlier, it has a black stonewash finish, and it's got D2 steel. Hope you can see that down there because there's the D2. Stainless steel frame, liner lock, and black G10 scales that really grip on. What I like is the thumb hole here. Man, it really doesn't hinder opening at all. It's like having thumb studs, and this thing just, it beautifully just comes right out. I love it. Like I said, lanyard hole, and I'm betting that that is a reversible pocket clip there. Just pull the screw, flip it around, you're good to go. Even though it says it's only right-hand carry, tip up, I'm betting you can reverse that thing. And yes, it is made in China. No big deal, right? Okay, now let's get to the fun part. Seriously, I love this part of my channel. Heavy-duty stock paper. Alright, but let's go with slow one. Yeah, no biggie. I've always been told that you can just rip a blade across and, you know, a halfway dull one will cut. But if you go slow, it's a true measure of its, the edge, how it's, you know, polished out and, like, sharp. Because look at that curlicue. Man, I love that. I truly do. Okay. Paracord. Pull you up. Alright, pull test. New prob. Alright, slice. Let's go for 4. I don't do that enough. No problem there. And, you know, we always do this. Our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap. I don't know how much of a friend he is because I'm always cutting him up in every other video, you know? Hey. Alrighty. Now, as we always do, nothing. Something is dialed in. Wow. Alright, now let's take a look at cost. Now, I say this in most stuff that I get in subscription boxes. I automatically take the price that it's listed as and throw that aside. And it's not a slam on Jason or, you know, like BattleBox out there or when I did Barrel and Blade. That's the price their manufacturer says, hey, well, not the manufacturer, but the people they have to buy from goes, it's now valued at this. So I get why, you know, Jason could put in his box, this thing is listed as, you know, $99.99. And everyone's going to go, oh, bullshit, I can find it on Alibaba for $5. He's ripping everybody off. Not like Jason didn't have someone do that to one of his Elite boxes, I think it was, but still. Alright, anywho, I found it on Amazon, SteelWill.com, and Blade HQ. Amazon's got it listed as $67.99 for this one, the one with the black stonewash, which is what I went looking for. Steel Will, $79.99, and Blade HQ for $67.99. Now on Blade HQ, well, basically across the board, I didn't see any reviews on this whatsoever. So I can't tell you 4.7, 4.1, here's what people hated, here's what people like. I'm telling you, I like this thing. After screwing around with it for about 2 days now, just opening and closing and cutting through paper, it's held an edge incredible. It feels great. It's not an over-the-top kind of carry. It's not something that some people may see sitting in a pocket somewhere, just the blackness and, you know, non-knife people going, oh my god, he's gonna bleed, we're gonna die. Yeah. So, with that fun stuff being said, I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything down below. And guys, I'm going to tell you, if you want to see this thing probably batoned and beat the crap out of, go see my friend Woodland Tactical's Facebook page. He takes a childlike glee on putting wood to blades. He beats the ever-loving bejesus out of his blades. So go check him out. If you do go check him out, you like what you see, make sure he knows I sent you. It won't get you anything, but it's just fun to poke fun at him and go, hey, yeah, you know, Tctbnl said come check you out. That way he can know he's being cared about. All right. Now, with that fun stuff being said, I want to thank you, you first-time viewer, for taking, you know, a moment of your day to view this video. I know you've got many, many options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered that you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time guys who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, here is your second chance at redemption. Look right down there. Gonna be a big old channel symbol popping up. Man, go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked subscribe out the way, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Good question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they think will be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My tabletop look at the Steel Will Piercer. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.